हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अमेजिंग लाइफ। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब जहाँ भी हैं अमेजिंग हैं। दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका। आप सब हमारी स्टोरीज देखते हैं, पोस्ट देखते हैं, हमारे लाइव देखते हैं, इतने सारे लव लाइक देते हैं, शेयर करते हैं, लोगों के साथ हमारी लाइव शेयरिंग करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सो मच ऑफ लव एंड लाइक। थैंक यू सो मच, इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट टू अस। दोस्तों, आज का जो टॉपिक है ना वो है आर आर यू सीकिंग हैप्पीनेस। क्या आप खुशियाँ ढूंढ रहे हैं? तो चलिए आज के टॉपिक की बहुत देयर इज़ अ वेरी डेप्थ टॉक अबाउट इट। और आज की जो हमारी एक्सपर्ट है ना, शी इज़ गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हैप्पीनेस एंड सीकिंग इन हैप्पीनेस, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली सीकिंग इन हैप्पीनेस इज मेंट। सो आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है ना, लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस हर अबाउट हर। what आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है, शी इज़ हनी वचानी एंड शी इज़ अ फाउंडर ऑफ बीइंग हार्मनी. She is a love yourself coach. She is amazing in teaching people self love. She teaches it so good that you will start loving yourself. Really. One second, I'll just check to join her. No, she's not there. She got award for a good best life coach in 2019. She is HYL teen teacher. She is certified law of attraction practitioner, certified master tarot reader, certified Ho'oponopono practitioner, graphologist, DMIT associate, laminate card reader, numeropreneur, automatic writer, degree doctor, high school teacher since 1999, and she inspires and empowers people to live a happy and fulfilled life and help them to connect with their inner being. She is doing so much and she is a really amazing person. I know her. She is really keen to make people understand about self love, and she tells people to get more into that self love so that they can have whatever they want in their life. So let's connect with her and let's get to know more about her, what exactly she does. Till then, we are waiting for her. Guys, you can also ask questions to her live. You can ask questions, and once again, you can ask questions to us. We will definitely answer that. And बहुत सारे मैसेजेस हमें आए थे, उसके लिए बहुत थैंक यू. बहुत लोगों ने हमें बोला कि दे वांटेड टू सी. वन सेकेंड, आई एम जस्ट कनेक्टिंग विद हर. They wanted to see happiness and also we bought this for you guys. Let's see how it goes, and I guess we are connected with her and she'll be joined within oh, hi Haniki.
Hi. Just let me know, am I audible and visible?
Yeah, you are totally visible.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah.
So that's what I was introducing about you. There was so much to talk about, and you have did
Wow.
so many, and it is so amazing. And that's really awesome to have such so much of things in your bag. So that's awesome. That's awesome.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much, Haniji, for taking time and joining us. You know, you are really very special to me also because you are my teacher. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me here and thank you for spreading this message of self love. I'm so glad. I always feel so happy that this work is carried forward. I'll have my own limitation. You have your own groups, your own people, your own community you've created. It's amazing. And your name, Amazing Lives is amazing. Actually,
Thank
it's so
you so much.
beautiful. I'm
Thank you
so
so much.
happy about it. Seriously.
Maniji, can we have your voice little louder? It is too
Even I
low.
can't hear you because I was thinking this is the maximum on the phone. You want me to plug in the earphones?
Okay. My voice is not audible?
Audible
Am I
but little low. Even
low?
mine is
Okay.
same.
Yeah.
If I get my eyes.
So guys, if you have any questions, you guys can ask to us. Haniji will give the answer live also. So one second.
Is it better? Is it better?
No.
Not at all.
Oh. No problem. We will join with her again. अच्छा दोस्तों, क्या हम अपने आप को एक सवाल पूछते हैं कि क्या हम खुश हैं, या क्या हम जो कर रहे हैं उसमें हम खुश हैं, क्या what exactly my happiness is and where exactly I'm finding my happiness. तो बहुत सारे सवाल होते हैं जो हमें पूछने चाहिए, बट हम पूछते नहीं है। पता है क्यों? क्योंकि हमें डर है कि हमें जो जवाब मिलेगा ना, वो हम सुनना नहीं चाहते, इसलिए हम क्वेश्चन भी नहीं करते। बिकॉज हम उस सच्चाई में नहीं जीना चाहते, हम उस रियलिटी में नहीं जीना चाहते, हम उस इल्यूजन में ही जीना चाहते हैं जहां हम सोचते हैं कि हम खुश है, हमारे पास ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है, बट सब हो रहा है। द फैक्ट इज वी शुड आस्क आवरसेल्फ दैट am I happy, am I content, am I fulfilled, am I joyous, what should I do today to make ourselves happy, make myself happy. आपको पता है सबसे ज्यादा हैप्पीनेस कब फील होती है? जब हम किसी को कुछ देते हैं और उनकी नीड, अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर नीड, इफ वी प्रोवाइड समथिंग लाइक फूड या कुछ हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं ना, जब तब हम सबसे ज्यादा कंटेंट और हैप्पी होते हैं। और वो हैप्पीनेस जो फीलिंग है ना, जो कंटेंटमेंट की, वो कोई और चीजों से नहीं मिल सकती। इसलिए कभी भी आप सैड हो या बहुत दुखी हो ना, किसी एक को भी आप उनकी नीड की कोई चीज देकर देखो, क्लोथ्स या फूड या थोड़ा सा एक टाइम का खाना एटलीस्ट, एंड सी द कंटेंटमेंट यू विल फील, माय गॉड दैट इज प्राइसलेस. So that makes you amazingly happy. That really makes us amazingly happy. मतलब हमें happiness ढूंढने कहीं जाना नहीं पड़ता, happiness इन चीजों से मिलती है. So let's try to connect with our guest again. I don't know where we lost her. So we'll wait for a while. The time we'll connect with her because she has so much to tell about happiness, and really we will get such amazing insight from that. Like really बहुत अच्छी अच्छी insight मिलेगी about happiness. Guys, you can also ask us any question. आप हमारे पास question छोड़ सकते हैं, हम वो question जरूर पूछेंगे. Don't hesitate. Just ask if you want to ask any question. Haniji, are you there? I don't know. We lost her. ओके, तब तक हम कुछ करते हैं लाइक चलो एफर्मेशंस करते हैं. मेरा तो हमेशा का कॉमन है ग्रैटिट्यूड एफर्मेशंस. अगर हमें ऐसा भी फील होता है ना कि आज हमारी लाइफ में कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे पास, तब भी हमारे पास ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है, बहुत कुछ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल दैट आई एम अलाइव टुडे. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल that I am happy. I'm so grateful that I'm breathing. I'm so grateful that I have food to eat. I'm so grateful for everything and everyone around. I'm so grateful for everything. So कुछ भी नहीं होना आपके पास, तो ये चीजें भी बोलो और the you will lift your level. You will lift your vibrations. Really, आप कितना भी लो फील कर रहे हो ना, इतना भी बोल दो बस, यू आर सॉर्टेड. यू नो, एटलीस्ट उस थोड़ी देर के लिए आप अपने आप को अपलिफ्ट कर लोगे. और ये आप रोज करोगे ना, मुझे नहीं लगता आपको दुख भी छू पाएगा. यू नो, अगर स्ट्रेस आता भी है ना, तो यू नो हाउ टू हैंडल इट. सो दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. ग्रैटिट्यूड इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टूल, आई गेस. इम्पोर्टेंट टूल है ना कि आप उसे यूज करें और एक्सप्रेस करें. We are waiting for our guest. I don't know where she is now. Let We see. Thanks, Neha, for connecting. There are so many amazing people around us. We just need to see कि कितने वैल्यूबल कितने अच्छे लोग हैं हमारे आसपास. उनसे हम क्या सीख सकते हैं, उनसे हमें क्या सीखने मिलता है. Life is learning totally. Once again, Honey ji, you can type hi. Same to you, Neha ji. Same to you. Blessed to be your friend. Blessed to be. Yeah, I'm adding her now. I'm here. Can't connect.
Okay, finally, can you hear me?
Hi. Yeah, but again low. But that's
That was
okay.
the reason I went out. And I was
No,
always connected, but hello. Now,
yeah, but low. It's low. It's very low.
guys, everybody, really sorry. I don't know what's happening because. Yeah.
Should we trying again? तब तक हम क्या करें? What should we do? Um, can I connect?
Is it good now? Can you hear
आप
me?
बोलिए. Tell,
Yeah.
tell something. No,
Can you
no,
hear
no.
me? Not at all.
So,
I don't know.
we
I
can
don't know
hear you,
why.
but very now I can hear you.
I'm so sorry. Is it
आप
fine now?
ईयर प्लग्स निकाल दीजिए ना. हनी जी, आप
हाँ.
ईयर प्लग्स निकाल दीजिए और नॉर्मली उसे मोबाइल से निकाल दीजिए. मोबाइल
So
से
no,
डिस्कनेक्ट कीजिए मोबाइल
this is
से.
this is the maximum which is in the without the Bluetooth.
प्रॉब्लम आई गेस पहले अच्छा आ रहा था. ब्लूटूथ कनेक्ट करने से पहले अच्छी आ रही थी आपकी आवाज.
Okay, this is better now. This is fine maximum.
तो ब्लूटूथ डिस्कनेक्ट कर दीजिए.
Disconnect.
कर दिया ना.
This is
तो
good.
हनी जी,
Finally, I don't know.
कोई बात नहीं, सब चलेगा.
Fine.
एवरीथिंग इज गुड. ऑल गुड. तो हनी जी बताइए कि व्हाट आई वांटेड टू आस्क इज कि आर वी सीकिंग हैप्पीनेस, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? पहले तो हम ये जानना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट इट मींस एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah, hi everybody. Those who are waiting, leaving, joining. So I'm really sorry for technical error. So how much ever well prepared we are, there are bound to be some technical error or some mistakes. So just be
राइट.
okay with it, relax and chill. Only then keep trying, you will be fine. One of the
एब्सोल्युटली.
learning. Technology teaches us a lot to
यस.
be patient, to be learning more, and all this stuff. So
ट्रू
coming to
ट्रू.
the question, I've seen these days, in fact, all the days, more during COVID and all that thing, people are so worried. People are so anxious about the things in life, and then they do not know what to do. They're not certain about certain things. In fact, many things, and lots and lots of people are losing their loved ones. Okay, lots and lots of people are losing on their loved ones also. That's really sad, and many people are losing on their job. That's again really disheartening. You feel, it's difficult,
राइट.
it's challenging time.
ट्रू.
But all said and done, all these are just to see where you stand in the river of life or in the flow of life. Are you just getting drowned away? Are you floating and then you're sure that this too shall pass away? And if you choose to be floating on the problem, across the river, you just go across your problem to get your solution. I believe a lot that we need to be doing it happily instead of juggling around with all the pains and frustrations and worries and all these things. It's very important we can do the same thing, choosing to smile and do it, right? Because that will make us go through the challenges in much easier way. So
Right.
happiness will not guarantee that there will be no challenges. Challenges will come. In fact, as you grow stronger, more bigger challenges will come. Okay, but then you become stronger, so you know how to handle and you know how to go through it. And the challenges will be forget it now. Leave this person. Now this person has learned. It has learned all the lessons. I have to go away.
Right.
So if the question was, are you seeking happiness? Yes, we all are seeking happiness, basically. But we don't seek in the right way. Sheetal, I'm just getting in feeling that I'm not audible because you're taking a lot of effort to hear me. How about the audience? I don't know. Am I audible, loud, clear enough?
Not clear, मतलब not loud, but you're clear.
Okay. Okay, so let me put technology. Okay, ठीक है, I'll affirm for that now.
We will ask the audience if anyone is here. Can you type that you can hear Honey ji very well? आप हनी जी को सुन सकते हैं properly तो please type yes.
Are they saying? What are they saying?
Let's see. हनी जी आप बात
Don't
करेंगे
see.
तो आप बात करिए कोई बात नहीं. You can talk.
Okay, okay, okay. ठीक है, because what I'm going to share is super important. I mean, it's though it looks simple, though it feels like it's such a simple thing, but if you really follow, as I always say, nothing works if you don't work on the
True.
things, right? So if we are seeking happiness, is basically you're running after the things, thinking that they will give happiness.
Right.
I mean, you just want to get a job, you want to get a married life partner, you want to get rid of COVID, or you want to get a bed on the in the hospital. You know that is an immediate need. But
Right.
happiness, I can divide it to three major categories. So if the question would be, what is happiness? So if you really know what it is, then you can approach it in a correct way. First of all, you need to know the exact definition of happiness, exact understanding. See what makes me happy. So if you're watching us live or recorded, I would say grab a pen and a paper. It will be a small exercise. So if anybody knows me out here, you know I'm a person who make you reflect on the thing, make
Right.
you write
I,
about things. Because
I
it's
agree.
not a chalta prata show, you know. You watch it and ठीक है समझ गया. It's not like that. It needs thoda sa work, you know. So for me, uh, it's like, you know, there are three major categories if we divide. So first is happiness in the experiences. Okay, we normally categorize happiness from things. For example, if I want to buy, I wouldn't say car now, maybe a MacBook or a good iPod or maybe headphone for now, because now sound system is creating problem. So I think when I get that thing, I will be happy because you're connecting your happiness on those things.
Attached
Correct?
in.
So
Yeah, attached.
basically, most of us, you feel only when I have my own boyfriend, only when I have my own child, only when I have my own job, or only when I have my own business setup, only when I have 1,000 likes, or only when I have my audience is this big, I will feel wow. Correct.
Right.
You are conditioning ourselves, you know, that way we are conditioning ourselves. But actually, during the process of getting it, you know, it's a process. It's not like you think today you'll get it tomorrow. Everything depends on the budget also. Suppose you have tens of lakhs of rupees, you just think of Apple something and you'll buy it. It's not a big deal for you. But for people who are aiming at it or preparing goal to buy things within the 6 months or 10 months, you have achieved targets. For them, it's a process of, you know, saving some extra money or maybe doing it on EMI or something like that. So I'm talking to those people for now. Those are planning to buy certain things and they require certain planning or certain commitment, certain system so that they can buy happily. And there are people I know, they just swipe the cards and forget baad mein dekhenge and they'll go into debts and all those things. There's so many
True.
people like that because they
True.
want to like have instant gratification. अभी सोचा
True.
अभी मिलना चाहिए. But you don't know whether you have that budget to know, are everything sorted, is your 6 months planning done. So if you do not do that, in the process you will be worried and tensed. So even if you
Right.
get your MacBook, you will not be happy because you have the burden of paying it off. You have to run
Right.
the house, you have to pay the fees, you have to do the basic. Suddenly, medical expenses come. So, all these things, if they're not taken care of, the best of the thing you got it will not give you happiness.
Right.
Correct? So, you can't be like just going, I want it, I did it. Many kids nowadays, many young generation are so intensive, they just want to do it now. I want it now. You know, everything has become 2 minute noodle jaisa. You know, भूख लगी 2 minutes में ही बनना चाहिए. But cooking में there's a process. So when we realize or when we understand there is a process to everything, and do the things, set your targets as baby goals. What I'm talking about, happiness from the materialistic thing is the first thing. So it will give you happiness if you follow these steps. If you take care about all the needs and all, take care of your budget and all, and plan accordingly, it can give you happiness. Again, no guarantee. Another important thing which I want to make note of everybody is during the process, till you do not have that MacBook, but you're planning, you need to be feeling happy and joyful, and you can visualize I'm having a MacBook already. I'm enjoying my work is very fast, everything is processing super fast, the clarity is excellent, my videos are coming very good. So I'm talking in my point of view, maybe anyone who's working from work from home, everybody requires a laptop now. I don't think so.
True.
Anybody who's working does not, because everything is online. So you know why do you want a better version? Because it has to be faster, better, and everything. So you can't keep waiting for it. If you keep waiting and you're desperate about it and you worry about it, pata nahi kab, kya and all, you will not enjoy the process. And even if you get the thing, you will not enjoy the thing also. So important thing, your happiness from experiences, like you need to experience the whole process, getting things, and during the process of till you get it. Next thing, experiences like you have experienced to be with your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your child, or eating delicious your favorite food. We just keep on साथ साथ में gulping, watching TV, Netflix or something. You don't even enjoy your own favorite food. You're not experiencing your best things. You're there with your girlfriend, you're there with your spouse, you're not even enjoying and experiencing that. He's on his phone, you are on your phone, and you're wondering, okay, you wanted the best partner. Maybe it's there, but you're not experiencing it. So only when you look into the eyes of your partner, stay and sit with your child and listen to his all the stories, whatever he has, they make no sense to us probably, but it makes a huge sense to them. But if you listen and understand the innocence and understand from where they're coming from, that will
Right.
be happiness. But ये भी सुनना, ये भी करना, ये भी करना. You multiply, you understand multiple tasking is there, but when you're there with your favorite things, child is your favorite, your husband, wife, or maybe a girlfriend, boyfriend. I don't know how many people have husband, wife favorites. But if you have your own partner, if you have your best house and you're not experiencing, if you go out in the garden, you're not experiencing, you will not be happy, even if you're the best of everything.
True.
So first thing, find out what are the experiences. We don't seek things. Experiences make us happy. If I have the best BMW out there, but I don't go for a drive, due to COVID, everything is shut down. People are like, I will not experience the love of the joy of having my BM. So it will be, how are you experiencing it? Are you feeling joyful? Are you really using it? Using as in, the word experiencing is the best word. I can't think of anything else. So happiness from the experiences is one category. So whatever you love, it can be simple dal chawal. It could be maybe chicken biryani. I don't know what is your favorite food, but whatever you enjoy, whatever you love, experience it. Have just that, with complete attention, complete wow. What masala, what flavor, what aroma. We have forgotten all that. We're just running away. You're just running for the next, running for the next, and you're not living in the moment. And experience जो है उसको तो experience कर ही नहीं रहे. We're just running, running, running. So calm down, relax, experience whatever you have. When I got this chair, it's very recent. So I was feeling, wow, this is nice. So I was revolving, I was creating, this is so comfortable. I can go there, I can plug in here. And like a child, I was revolving around. So it's not the chair I am comfortable. I wanted to experience it first. I want to feel joy of having it. So if it can be a petty thing, 1 rupee lollipop, look at the child how he enjoys.
Right,
And
absolutely.
every time he has this favorite chocolate, he'll enjoy with the same intensity. And we will like,
Right.
"Kal to kha, why are you getting bored?" And we will not let him. Like, a Kali Chopra, look, children are the best people to learn from. Happiness in
Yes.
the now. They live
Yes.
in the now. They feel so great about everything. The things they love, of course. When you tell them study, study, they'll not be happy about it. But they're very happy. So you need to bring back the child in ourselves, the innocence
Right.
in ourselves, to be really happy and experience
Wow, wow, really, really amazing. मतलब आप जिस तरह से you have portrayed it, it's so amazing. You know, it is such a simple thing, but we tend to neglect that thing. You know, it is such
everything.
a simple thing. You know, whatever we are feeling it, whatever it's around us, we should experiencing it. That's all we have to do. But we neglect that part. We some way or the other we are distracted. We are too much distracted, and because of that, we tend to that's very nice. You have explained such beautifully.
Wow. So most of us are into this part, they want to experience all the things. But we plan a vacation. Have you noticed? We plan a
Right.
vacation, book the tickets. Now since 2 years we have not. But I mean, just remember any vacation, we'll do all shopping, we'll do all packing, we'll buy all cosmetics or maybe bags or jackets if you're going to winter place. But suddenly when you go there, again you're busy with Bombay and ye karna. I've seen people again next day planning, next day and you are there now to enjoy. You've been planning all the time, staying away from the current moment over there. Now when you're here, you're planning out, oh, काम का phone है, ये करना, उनको, अरे relax. So, when you're going there, for that you spend so much money, spend so much time, but people don't even experience the proper vacation. So many
Right.
people don't know to really enjoy their vacation also. They're seeking vacation, they want to go, but they do not know how to. So I would just suggest or request everybody, just take a pause. Every hour, just take a pause and say, am I experiencing whatever I'm doing? It can be work, it can be play, it can be eating, sleeping, doing whatever. Experience. That's important. Okay? So I'll go to the next part. The next happiness you get it from the growth. Okay? So next, you're on the call. Okay. So next very important part is our growth. Okay. So are we getting happiness from growth? So if you do not grow, you die. I feel all living beings grow till the end of their life. So our body is growing, our intellectual is growing, everything, our cells are multiplying, deteriorating, again born, getting birth again. After every 50 days, new cells are born. So the life needs growth. If there is no growth, it is death. Okay. So you need to check, are you growing as a person? Are you developing your skills? Whatever you're good at, whatever your hobbies are, whatever your passion is, are you really putting some hours to polish it, to grow, become a better version of yourself? Or it could be anything, grow as a much better wife, a much better husband, or much better mother, or much better cook or homemaker, or much better at your work, what you're doing. And if you're a hair designer, hairdresser, you need to be again polishing. So if you do not grow, you will feel stagnant. If you're doing the same thing over and over, you become master, but after a certain time, you become, oh God, that's boring. Because mind does not like same constant thing. It wants change. And change can be negative also. People fall into the trap of depression, addictions, and all those things. Ultimately, that is also because of change. But if they're not focusing on the growth, so you must invest your time, money, energy on growing. So that could be, I would say, I have invested maximum amount of my money, time, energy on self development, on my own growth. A lot. It could be spiritual and everything, basically spiritual and getting to know myself more, getting inside more. You know, all my major money and all my major, I can say 50-60% of my income would go in my courses or my trainings or my understanding for my own growth. That is super important, and that is one of the reason I can always smile, because I connect to myself. I feel, I know what is happening. I'm aware all the time. So if you're not investing in your growth in any form, again, of course, you can choose to invest in self development, which is a must, I feel, because if you have not invested in that, all these conditions like COVID and all will kill you, not by disease, but by depression or by worrying about it or being anxious about it. So if you've invested, you know you can remain calm even during situations like this. And we know the earth is really suffering a lot. Much more disasters are round the clock. They will be. COVID is one of the biggest you can say biggest dhakka on the humanity. So that whole world is shut down. Even now, if we don't invest on our own growth, it's like I don't know when then. Because I feel that is important. You need to learn. For me, I cannot not say in any of my topics, you need to learn how to love yourself. You need to learn how to be happy in all situations. You need to be learning. These are learning skills. Nobody is born like that. Okay, we
Yeah,
need to learn it because we have been conditioned by the society, by the parents, by everything that you can't be selfish, you can't be doing this, you can't be this, and all that thing. So we have always thought that's correct. And then you need to unlearn all those conditions and actually go within and check you are perfect, whole, and complete right now. So I feel happiness is your growth. You must grow in all the areas and all your profession, career, education, self-education. As a mother, maybe 2 years back you were a little absent-minded person, but now work on it. Or maybe you're very losing your patience farm. You just hit a child when he does something. Work on it. Become patient. Learn new skills. Meet new people to do all these things. Read, study, do whatever it takes. But find out where you need help and take help. That will make you happy. So when you look back, oh wow, I'm growing. That makes you happy, isn't it? So
so
I
that's
mean, I
true.
feel if I don't grow for certain, I feel, oh my God, I'm getting stagnant. Like, I don't like it. I don't feel I'm living. I really feel that. So it's very important. It's like happiness from growth. Second
Absolutely agree. Agree totally.
point. Okay.
That's
And
absolutely
the
correct.
third,
So,
third,
Haniji, I have a question that,
yeah.
when, you know, first thing that we don't know much how to experience it. So you said that is right. We should try to experience it however way we can. We can find small ways to experience it. That's correct. But if we are experiencing happiness within and we are joyous, right? How we can share our happiness with others so that they can be happy, they can be joyous. How that can we do? How we can do that?
Okay. So one thing, your happiness is your responsibility,
Yeah,
nobody
absolutely.
else.
Yeah,
Similarly,
absolutely.
their happiness is their responsibility, not yours. Okay,
Right.
you can't take the burden of entire humanity. Even if you give the best of it to your person, and if he chooses not to be grateful, not to be feeling good about that you're giving, you can't make them happy because they're choosing not to be happy. They're choosing to see only the dark shade. They're choosing to see only the gray areas. They're choosing to be in the complaint mode, blame mode. You can't
Right.
do anything about it. You can only
Absolutely.
educate them if at all they are willing. If they are not willing, you can't do anything. You
Yeah.
can't break your head to make others happy. You just can't. Even your own husband, your own child. If they choose to be in a suffering state, you just can't do anything. You can only pray. Let them also give that understanding that they can be happy. They can choose to be happy. Yeah,
Right.
so that you can do it. But again, if they are not open, and when the grace, I enjoy rains a lot. I don't know whether I've told in my shows a lot. I enjoy rain a lot. So if it is raining outside, but I say, I'm not getting that wet. I'm not getting that sprinkle on my. I have to get up and go out. No, the rain will not come in. God is showering rain everywhere. You have closed your doors and windows. You are not going. So happiness is all around. You have closed yourself for not experiencing it. And everybody has the experiences of happiness if they choose to look with that eyes. It's not about having something on. I've seen such poor people in my maids छोटा सा this half the room of this they have their house which is always smiling happy and all ठीक है मेरे पास तो खुद का घर तो है ना and मेरा पति कमाता नहीं लेकिन मेरे को मारता नहीं but she's happy and हमको कितना expectation है 4 BHK के बाद भी ये भी वो भी so it's not about having things it's about how grateful you feel about what you have and how much you experiencing what you have how much you feeling blessed that oh my god I have this wow so it's all about that, and you can't do it. And one more thing you can do is you be happy. Your smile will light up somebody's day. Somebody will be sad, and they look at you. Oh wow! I mean, it's contagious. Your smile is contagious. You smile often, so
Yeah.
they might forget it for a moment or something. Their problems or whatever, or they might think, well, she can smile in the problem. Why not? You become the inspiration. You can't do much about it. You have to be happy be that happy person so that you radiate that happiness. happiness. So your job is only your responsibility. Others are coming and joining your army, most welcome. If they are not, bye, get up. You know, let them be in
That
their which army they want to join.
that's really true. That's really true. This is something very apt on point you said.
Yeah, we ladies have taken the burden of entire society, maybe families. Of, because of kuch karna, how will you take out the blood? We heard it, take out the full blood of the veins and all, give it to them. ठीक है अभी तो खुश हो जाओ नहीं फिर भी कंप्लेन निकालेंगे कुछ तो कमी रह गई so it's not about you sacrificing, it's about you choosing to be happy with that happiness. If they choose to be happy, great. If they're not, that problem, it's not your concern.
That's
It's
true.
your concern,
That's
right?
true.
So you need to be bold enough, and then you need to be very humble. You need to be praying and asking, I have chosen this path of happiness. God, give them also this path. Give them the power to choose this path. So they might come ultimately, but looking at your happiness, not you trying to make happy. If you try, it will be a failure. Don't try to make anybody happy. In that process, you will lose your happiness if you're coming from the space that way, and your happiness will spread for sure to people who require. So I have a huge family. Very few people follow me and understand. पता नहीं क्या बोलती रहती है. But I have a huge fan followers who want to listen to me, who are always available, who will be always on my shows, on my workshops, or all this thing. They are my tribe now because they choose to walk my path. Even though I see my family suffering with the same old pattern, same old thing, complaining about all those blah 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 blah. So you can't, even if I have the best of knowledge, I can't do much about it, isn't it? So you don't have to choose, I have to make this person, you can't. You be happy, people will follow you, make them happy if they're willing. So now we'll go to the third one, which is again super important. I think you mentioned about it in the beginning. So third one, as you experience your joys, your vacation, your best of clothes, your designer stuff, you feel good and do by all means have the best of stuff. Don't deprive yourself. नहीं हमको तो ऐसे ही खुश होना. Why? You can deserve the best of the world. So choose all
Right.
the brands and everything, but be happy and humble. Very important. Second, focus on your growth and do everything. Once you've reached certain level, there comes a level you've achieved a lot. You're growing business wise, everywhere. Now you still feel there's something incomplete, and that incompleteness will be completed by contributing. When you contribute to the society in whatever ways, whatever is the work which calls you internally, you will be really happy. Okay, so Malab, that's why the big leaders have sacrificed their life. They've understood. Okay, I'm growing, I'm having all this, and then what? After all, what? After achieving everything, what is the meaning to my life? Maybe they have this question. So contribution is, excuse me, super important. You check out what are the areas. Do you want to work on some children area or some sad people because you feel the happiness on a chair? So maybe some sad community. Can you give a smile to them? Or you teach them how to smile, or teach them how to laugh, or people are very anxious, or women are suffering a lot. Can I empower them? So just pick up some segment or pick up one person next door who's willing to contribute your knowledge, your work, or maybe feed the hunger because there are many people lost their job, labor class, and all those people. So we have all the concept of a refrigerator. I don't know whether you're aware. So I have my friends doing it. So they've kept a huge refrigerator. All the people around the area will keep the leftover food. Suppose 10 rotis banai, 8 khali, 2 baj ke, go and keep in that refrigerator. Anybody who's hungry will pick up those things and go. Nobody to question, nobody to answer, nobody to register. It's a beak mango types. You just pick up. It's for all. So and you are just keeping, ki ab ho gaya hamara. We keep it in the fridge or throw it away in the dustbin or do what we waste it. So rather keep it in the fridge. So that concept, when you come from the idea of contributing, ideas come, people come. They started with one refrigerator, now they're 50 allocated in different areas. So people are willing to contribute, people are willing to accept it. Whatever calls you, just donate roti daily, just feed the hunger, just keep the pot of water outside for the birds. Now to rainy aa gaya to good. So something, what calls you, what you can give when you see the joy of feeding any hungry person, you feel
I
happy.
understand it.
So whenever,
Yeah.
forget everybody out, your mates come, they're working, whatever rotis are made, give them ghee laga ke do. बचा हुआ ही क्यों दे रहे हो? Give fresh. Give because they also must be looking from that thing. They are eating this and they are giving me. The vibration might affect us, and they will feel happy. and they'll be loving to work in your house. But again, not with that intention, with the intention of giving, making a difference. Just one roti a day, donate it in a right manner, in a right intention of feeding, and your all those hungry things will come. And कोई नहीं तो भाई है, कोई नहीं तो कौवा ही तो आ ही जाएगा, बिल्ली कुत्ता तो आ ही जाएगा. If you don't want to go far, start from one small step, and your life will take you to the next higher step. It will take you for sure. So I think these three areas we all must focus. And I make in my workshop people, make a list of all what experience you're seeking. What is the growth you want to grow? How far you want to grow in all areas. What is a contribution you can think of? If money, time, and knowledge is not a limit, what are you going to do for the world? Put up in the paper, write it down, and check it, and see. Doesn't mean have to happen in a day. It can take 10 years. I don't know, but at least you have a vision for your life, vision of growth, vision of experiencing joy, vision of contributing and making your life happy. If you do not have three list questions, you cannot be happy. You'll be always seeking. You'll be always running after the things, but you will not be happy. Sorry to say that.
We don't feel contentment actually. Whatever we are doing it, if we are not serving others, we don't have that feeling of contentment. Because after doing this amazing life, now I realize the contentment what I get, that is something which I never experienced. So that is something I never experienced before. So this is what I'm grateful for. अगर ये नहीं होता तो मैं शायद वो फील भी नहीं, कभी वो उस कंटेंटमेंट जोन में भी नहीं आती. So I'm so grateful कि I am actually experiencing not so much, but at least some kind of contentment that is more than enough. So I'm so happy, and that's why I tell to my friends also, give whatever you can feel. If you can give roti, if you can give some ideas, if you can give some knowledge, do whatever you feel you can give. You just give it. That's amazing. Yeah,
So
really,
again,
really
all the three are super important because we know some people come with a thing of contribution, they deny their own happiness.
true.
They will not take care of themselves because अरे contentment तो उससे आएगा, but we are not Mahatma Gandhi. We are normal
Right.
people. We have our own desires. We have our own thing. Experience the joys of life. Experience the
Experience.
luxury of spas and everything. Why not? So all areas are super important. Contribution will give you a lot when you are satisfied here. Many people start contributing, they don't take care of the house. If you know my father Gandhi, the son and all was not happy. He was father of the nation, but the child himself was deprived of all the fatherhood and all those things. So if you want to be father of the nation, or Mother India, or Mother Teresa, do it by all means, anything outside. But we know we also have our own desires. We also have our own, dreams and aspiration of growth and everything. Do it everything in a balanced way. Okay, so do it in a balanced way. Complete your cup completely. Be satisfied. You've got enough now. Abhi, there's no more to ask. I've traveled enough. I've experienced my solitaires enough. I've worn all the brands. I've driven the bestest cars. I'm living in a beautiful villas and all. If you have those things, and then you can give all of yourself a contribution. I like that with
True.
Priyanka Chopra. She's been
True.
Miss World, she's doing all this work, she's contributing to UNICEF, encouraging people, and in the glamour. So this is like, you can do everything. You don't have to be a saint kind of a
Just
person or something to be
one way.
giving it. You can be very professional, you can grow heights and bounds, you can be world class person. You need to be. That's why you're born to live this life. So
Right.
give your best and enjoy in everything you're doing. That's
True.
important.
True. True. Agreed. This is really amazing. You have shared such a beautiful insights. Especially I like that personal development also, because there people lack. There
Right,
people don't want to put in the work.
right,
That is the area where people don't want to spend on mentors. They don't want to work. They don't think that they deserve. The most important thing, they don't think they deserve, and that is not true.
right.
So there, all these areas, if we work, really, we are really experiencing all the happiness. You are very absolutely true. You
Yeah.
shared such a wonderful insight about all
So
these things.
because I feel self-love, happiness, gratitude are my pillars. Without any one of them, it does not work. If you're not happy in the now, if you don't have a vision of the future, and some people just forget everything. I'm kush hai. They don't even work. and contribute to the house, contribute to society. I'm content. मुझे खुश है. बाबा जी बन गए जैसे तुम enlightened हो गए. No, you're not. You need to have your own vision. And especially in India, like it's a lot of spiritual knowledge is there, but people are taking it the wrong way. They don't want to work. And they feel, हाँ ठीक है, भगवान ने हमको संतुष्ट रखा है. But deep down, they also want everything. That's what I've seen it. But they don't want to work on it. They don't want to create a big. Once you create a big vision, you have to work so much for it. So, so in my programs, I'm coming up with a program I told you last time also, the Quest. It's 3 day program, and 3 day program will be having your own vision coming from your heart, not from the goal setting, time management, the basic mindset thing. It's like what is your heart will make you sing happy. You know what will make you happy when you have this vision achieved. So we want to work on people who are feeling they're victim. They are not doing enough, or the people are not allowing them to do. My husband does not allow. My in-laws don't allow. When you feel I can't do, you're blaming on others. Maybe situations are really bad. People can't take decisions, you know, especially women I'm talking to. So they will be moving from victimhood to empowerment, and then they'll create their own vision, and the steps will be given to fulfill them. So I'm super excited about this program. It's going to start from 10th. 10th is next
That's
week.
really amazing.
Yeah. So maybe
So if
registration
people
link I'll be
want to
sharing it.
enroll, if people
After
want to enroll, where they should come to Being Harmony site?
being harmony. They can come to my page, Facebook page, or maybe for Amazing Life I started following, so I'll put up over there also, and they can choose to join
That's
it.
really amazing.
Just
So,
for rupees 299 introductory offer. Maybe when I'm really going international for sure, I'm sure I'm creating the bigger vision. Later on, this 3 day program can go up to 15,000 or whatever. But initially, just for own people, last few months in India, I'm going to try it out. So maybe it's just 299 though. Just jump in. It's going to be amazing.
it will go well because you are putting so much of effort. It will go well.
Yeah.
Khaliji, we are summing up this live. I wanted you have to say something apart from all these things. To sum up the whole session.
To sum up the whole thing, maybe if you are just joining us now or you're listening on the recording and you just fast forwarded anything, do listen to all the three important aspects of life which gives you happiness and start one thing at a time. So just experience is the easiest because you have things around. Start enjoying. Start enjoying your shower. Start enjoying your sleep. Start enjoying your food. This is basically all do. Whether we have a house, we don't have a house, we have a job, we don't have a job. These are basic. Start enjoying. Feel the joy. And then I would just add a masala of gratitude. If you're grateful for whatever you have, you'll have more of everything you want. So be grateful. If you think I don't have this is, I understand. So maybe you have your body, you're living, you're listening to us. So be grateful for the years. Maybe you're grateful to process in your brain, you're understanding, you're not dumb, you're not mentally retarded. So you have this multi-crore body already. You know, if you lose an eye in an accident, you lose a nail in an accident, something, you will not get artificial one at 0 rupees. And even then it will not be the same as the original one.
Right.
Correct? So if you can't find anything, your situations are worst. Maybe you're in midst of I don't know what, terror or whatever. But you're alive, you're breathing, you're listening, you're watching. You have internet, you have some device, maybe mobile internet, something. Be grateful and start focusing on things you have to be grateful. And I don't know, I don't think so. Those people are still watching us or will be watching, I'm not sure. But most of us have plenty to be grateful for. We have at least one time meal in our fridge or in our dabbas, dal chawal pada hai na. एक महीने का राशन चल जाएगा. Grateful people just buy 10 rupees stuff and cook and eat. Again next day 10 जमा करेंगे 10 rupees का लेंगे. If you know it, so we are taking things for granted. We don't take it. We don't feel grateful about it. We don't see the efforts of so many people involved. Like if you're living in a comfortable house, there's so many people who created this. You're getting electricity, so many wiremen and all those people work with it. You're getting like everybody, if you pick up any small thing, there's so much of work involved. That is going up to the depth. I don't know how much we'll be able to. But gratitude करने के लिए just pick up one thing, you can go and on and on and on and on and you'll say, my God, I'm just supported by so many people. And how can I be so ungrateful? And if you're grateful, you will be happy in the now for sure.
True,
So
true,
that's
true.
my
I
message.
agree with that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Totally, totally. Wow, thank you so much. You have given such a beautiful insight, and plus top of it, the gratitude thing. Thank you so much. I really love the way you tell about self-love, gratitude, and everything, because I am also getting into all this thing, and I am really enjoying it. So
Oh,
thank you so much for your such a valuable session today. Thank you so much. Really feel gratitude towards
thank you for having me here, and I love you. God bless you. Take
it.
care.
Thank So guys, we are winding up the session, and जैसे हनी जी ने बताया है कि try to work on these three things and you will experience happiness in your life for sure. दोस्तों, खुशियाँ पाने के लिए ना मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है. अगर आप ऐसा सोचोगे कि आपको मेहनत भी नहीं करनी है और आपको खुशियाँ भी चाहिए, तो that doesn't work. So please work, प्लीज डू सम वर्क. ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं, कुछ तो करो, एंड यू विल जस्ट फील हैप्पी अबाउट इट. सो गाइज, वी आर टेकिंग अ लीव, एंड मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट लाइव में. तब तक के लिए खुश रहिए और बहुत 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 सारा ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉलो करिए. चलो, टेक केयर, बाय बाय एवरीवन.